Hello there. I will try to make a bot live here with you. I go to this magical website which is called create.tinybrain.de, and we call it the Happy Bot. Put the developing behind it. So just to be modest and truthful in my communication. This bot just calls one function which is called bot, which makes it possible to type on the command line on the console with the bot. And the bot has a concept of happiness. It's a happy bot. And precisely what it has is just a level of happiness. Here. No, this is just only 2 billion values. We want more, of course. These are 64-bit of happiness points. And then we need to call this function because this makes this permanent. This persists this object to disk. Also, we want a single instance of this because this is like a Java class, and we will only have one of these. We use the unique function, which gives us exactly one object, which is initialized with level 0. So now we have to make the bot happy sometimes in some ways. Let's say the user says thanks, then the bot will be happy. Or if it says I love you, if the user says I love you, or you did good, or how about something I always write, nice, to applaud my bots. The happy function needs to be implemented, short for static string, and it shows the emotion on the screen temporarily. I just made a nice function for this. Temp show emotion happy, shows this for like 1 second, I think. And we return a smiley to the user. Oh, and we should actually increase the level. Happiness level. And there's one thing we have to do, because this is a field update and we want to save this object afterwards to disk. JavaX does it almost automatically, but there's no way to monitor a field update right now. So we have to call this method here. It's one more step, but I mean, this replaces the whole database effort and other methods with Java and MySQL or what have you, or any other database. You have to make database commands here and make more database commands to load stuff and whatever. This is all automatic with this one change line. So that might be our happy bot. I can compile it. This is a special privileged link that not everybody gets, but everybody who asks can get it. Even without the link, you can run this program now. You can just check this. It will show up on anybody's list in the world, unless you created this program non-public, which you can also do. Happy bot is here. It's just a little bland, you know, the interface. I can type here, I can make it happy. It should actually work. Yeah. But it's a little, I'm not totally happy with this interface. Also, one more thing maybe, let's ask the bot how happy it is. If how happy are you? Then we return the level, and I believe we have to make it a string. I am could make a better text here, I'm sure. I am level happy. Level times happy. I have been made happy 1 million times. Or change the text depending on the level, I don't know. That's a new bot. And how can we make the interface better? Luckily, I have a ready-made bot for you, exactly for this purpose. Let's just try this out real quick. First, how happy are you? I am 1 times happy. Perfect English. Yep. The bot I want to show you is called multibot. It's only 44 lines, but of course it's 44 packed lines with powerful functions behind it. And you don't need to look at how this bot is implemented. You just run it. Multibot here. And it's called multibot because you can add other bots to it. If you make a chatbot of any reasonable size, it will have different parts of it, different modules, and you can use this program to just add them at runtime very easily. You say add bot, and then the ID, for example here, 1009363. It loads the bot, and it appears in the list up here. It's another bot I had before, and a happy bot. And the command list is automatically updated, which is pretty nice. We didn't program this. I just wrote this little program here, and out of this function, or its Java equivalent, the multibot extracts the commands. Magic. It analyzes its actual own source code. So let's say nice. It's happy. Let's ask how happy are you? I'm 2 times happy. And yeah, the other bot is also in here. You can show a window. Maximize it. Boom. Close it. Close the window. And I believe it can open it again. Close it. Thank you. Oh, great. Now I run into a bug. That's very good. Yeah, let's invest some time here. Bind timer to component. Very interesting. So something with the bot. I don't know. How happy are you? Still works actually. There's something with the smiley appearing here. I hacked this together. You can show the smiley, hide the smiley. Something in the meantime goes wrong, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So there you have it, a little bug. Bugs are rare in JavaX. Let's restart the multibot. It will load all its components. And let's say thanks again. There we go. So one tiny little bug, but I just showed you how you can make bots with a status and commands and answers and even some graphical output in 25 simple lines. And we will continue this way. Let's fix the bug. I'm so sorry. Bugs. I'm sorry.